right, here is the secret sound. Listen closely.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh.
What could that be?
I'm going to play it one more time, and that's it. The secret sound. Here it is. Okay. If you know what it is, what is it? It sounds familiar, doesn't it? It sounds like it could be something that you've heard before, right? Mm-hmm. Here it is one more time. Okay.
Ooh.
All right, let's go see if anyone gets it. Sarah, line 4. Hello, Sarah.
Hi, how are you?
Well, I'm doing great. I'll be doing better if you tell us the secret sound. What is that?
Is it a wrench hitting a pipe?
A wrench hitting a pipe. That is not correct. But thanks.
All right, have a good day, guys.
It's a good
Me
guess,
too.
though. I can hear that.
Yeah, it could have been, but it wasn't.
Yeah.